kind of my personal challenge to improve the environment from my home, around my home, whatnot. It's recycling day and garbage day, and so I just checked my recycling to make sure I didn't have anybody put any plastic bags in. So I found some and put them in the trash. But I want to give a little shout out to Cheryl Baldwin, who with some other neighbors put these little recycling guides in here in our garbage cans, which I think are great. I'll send you a picture of that. And I want to talk to you a little bit about not putting stuff into the trash and trying to come up with alternate ways to reduce, reuse, recycle, repurpose, upcycle, whatever you want to call it. But the less that we put into the trash, the less that goes in the landfill, it saves you on your taxes.
All right, so with these new big toters that we have, and now that we're stuck home with COVID, people are tempted to clean their basements and then throw everything into them. But that'll just raise our taxes. And what I'm trying to do is to clean my basement and donate it to other people that I know. So with all the kids being home, they're appreciating all the sporting equipment and toys that my girls used to play with that they'll never play with again. I dropped off a hammock to Anna, and her boys are enjoying that, as well as a bunch of other things to their place. I dropped off some camping equipment and some soccer stuff, and even some helmets to my other friends down the road. And so the idea is that we want to reuse, recycle, and make decisions that are conscientious in terms of honoring the products and trying to move them into a new cycle. One of the favorite things I have in my house, or outside, is a plate that my mom gave me from a place called Bavano's up in Cheshire. And it was kind of a weird little plate made out of copper, and I didn't really know what to do with it. And then finally I decided to put it outside, and it's used as an ad hoc bird bath, and it catches the downspout water when it comes off my porch. So it has many different uses, and that's called upcycling. So the other day I saw a bumper sticker. It said, "The more you know, the less you need." And I'm also reminded of people say that when you're in your 20s and 30s, you just collect stuff. And in your 40s and 50s, you think about your stuff, and in your 60s and 70s, you get rid of it. And so I'm just trying to reduce the amount of stuff that I have in our house and use it more wisely through this 50-day challenge. It's made me a lot more conscious about everything that we have. And so I hope that you have picked up a few things in this long journey of mine. And I know it's definitely improved my quality of life. Hope you're all well, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 50.